Yiwu AIDAILA Jewelry Factory is located in the world's largest commodity distribution center, Yiwu, China. The business focuses on fashionable high-end jewelry. Founded in 2010, AIDAILA is an integrated enterprise including product design, research and development, production and sales, innovative design, high-quality production, good service, and being a leader of fashion accessories are all focuses. The AIDAILA brand was created through the love of Mr. Zhang and his wife. Mr. Zhang didn't come from a wealthy family. Starting from scratch, it was tough at the times. It was at this time he met his wife-to-be. To symbolize the love to his wife, Mr. Zhang founded UNFADING LOVE, the Chinese translation being AIDAILA. AIDAILA utilizes 18K real gold plating, so has the benefit of not fading over time. The raw material is the environmental friendlier material without lead, nickel and chromium. Czech rhinestone, Swarovski crystal, AAA zircon, shell, pearl, and agate materials are also used during the production process. The pursuit of quality is the concept that AIDAILA jewelry strives to achieve. Each jewelry is the perfect annotation of AIDAILA concept, such as the comprehensive production process of copper earrings, pressed film, injection wax, wax setting, tree plating, molding, cutting, polishing, manual paving, burn-in, work blanks checking, electroplating, plating checking, diamond adding, handwork, quality inspection, packaging. After 8 years of innovation and development, the brand has enjoyed a good reputation in the industry and sees itself as an innovator. Our company has a complete quality management system, and our team of high-quality design talents have been engaged in fashion jewelry industry for many years. The sales team is also constantly improving themselves, focusing on providing customers with more fashion styles, high-quality products, and a more considerate customer service. AIDAILA products are being sold all over the world and spread to America, Russia, France, Australia, India, Brazil, Japan, and other countries. AIDAILA will continue to improve ourselves, benchmarking itself against the top enterprises internationally. Every change we make is for you. Every change we make is for you to see. Your satisfied smile and support are the motivating force to move us forward. AIDAILA sincerely invites you to walk together in the vision of beauty, being born with beauty and unbalancing for you.